Guys, I'm on the way home, hanging out with my friend, but it's pouring down rain right now. I finally hurry up home. I'm almost home, but it's kind of hard because it's raining. On top of that, traffic too. So I had to stop at every stop sign because of stupid traffic. And traffic here, there, traffic there, and just tired of it. But I'm almost home, thank God. Here, I got my umbrella with me. Don't you dare, umbrella. I'm gonna keep my phone dry. So, yeah. I'll be letting you guys go. Keep my phone dry. Man. You hear it. I'm out. Peace.